Hello everyone again, friends. Let's get to know Shopify in this video. So it will actually be a little summary of Shopify. If you say what kind of summary, after we became a member, after we shot our membership video, such a screen greeted us. And we want to summarize Shopify a little bit. Which menus, where you can find them all. First of all, as you can see, it welcomed an interface in English. Since we want to use it completely in Turkish, we can switch to our profile here. When we switch to our profile, as you can see when we scroll down, we change our knee option to Turkish. Sorry, I couldn't select it. Let's record that we chose Turkish. As you can see, it is now in Turkish. Let's also refresh our extra page. Our menus on the left side are completely 100% Turkish. And as you can see, your Shopify started our experiential product below, and it became Turkish with all the details. After making it in Turkish, I want to talk a little bit about the menus. Shopify has divided the menus into two. The one on the top is actually completely related to customers, which we call the front side, menus related to sales and marketing. The ones below are related to our website. As you can see on the top side, we have an order menu. We see our incoming orders. Our products menu is a menu where we create products and track their stock. Customers, we see all the information of our customers who are members of our website, creating a customer, etc. We do things like changing the customer password, playing with their settings. Analytics, exactly as the name suggests. We see the sales analysis you make on Shopify from our website here. Marketing, there are marketing techniques in Shopify. We make these settings here. Discounts, we do things like creating discount coupons from this menu. Applications, as you know in WordPress, there is a plugin installation page. In Shopify, this page is called Apps. When we come to the apps page, we can install plugins on Shopify, as we said. As you can see, Oberlo, our already most familiar dropshipping plugin, is leading here. So after clicking here, our plugins will be added at the top as we say add. Our online store tab, this is all about the layout and design and content of our store. As you can see here, there's a customize theme button. This is the area where we can edit our theme, such as our menu, the shape of our theme, our images, our slider, etc. After clicking it. From here, we adjust all the settings of our theme. From the actions, we can rename our theme to the down menu. We are here. Test. Let's write a theme. When we rename it, the name of our theme is also registered in this way. Here we have our online store speed. Of course, since our store is not created at the moment, we do not make any measurements or anything. There are menus where we can get information about the extra detailed theme library. On the left side, there is the blog post section. The blog post section is a menu that is completely set up for us to create our blog pages. So you will write a blog on your website here. You write it here. On the left side, we have the pages menu. And on the pages, as the name suggests, we create pages. You can also create contact page, all pages of contracts here. Navigation. I can say it is completely menu page. This is where we create menus, our menus at the top, our future menu, customizable menu settings, extra collection, so we can actually set the filters on the product pages from here as well. We can add and delete new filters. As you can see, the price is available with stock status. If there are product types or vendor brands, you can add them here and customize even more. Preferences are completely Shopify's technical, but very... I'd also say change the page. So what is this? For example, when the moment page starts, once you type it, you won't need to change it much. The meta description of our website, here is the meta description part that will appear on Google and search engines can get a better result. Extra. When our website is shared on Facebook or social media, there is a field for which image should appear. You can determine this image. We have a Google Analytics area. We have a field to add code, that is, to follow our website from this Google Analytics. Our Facebook Fixily linking area. We have an extra area of agreements on customer privacy. Password protection is password protection. Our website is now. I can show it like this. Let's see if we have it. We have it right now. When we look from the hidden tab, it will ask us for a password so that we can see our website. We get that password here, friends. We get the password here. When we give it to the other party, he will see the preview when he enters that password without logging into Shopify, without logging into our website in any way. Here are our settings for spam protection. Here is a sample example of all payment sales with Shopify with all our other settings available. Translation, that is, we manage all the cargo and so on related to languages from here. In fact, this part is in the third part. As I said about this, I wanted to have a completely short summary of Shopify in this video, which will be a video about all tabs one by one. So that you have information about all the menus, because when we say in the discount category about the videos that will be shot tomorrow, you need to understand this category. I thought this video would be healthy for you. See you in the next video.